Hi, welcome back. It's me, Donald, or Mr. D. So today I'm gonna teach you how to use Mendeley. And as we know that Mendeley is really important to be used, especially in creating or in making journals or articles. Right. Today I'm gonna teach you how to use Mendeley properly. So there are two types of Mendeley. It can be used through the web, and the second is from the desktop. So first thing first, I'm gonna teach you how to use Mendeley from the website. Okay, you can just go through the Google search. Okay, and then you click Mendeley, and then there will be an icon of Mendeley here. You can just click on it. Okay, you can just wait, and then this is download for Windows. I don't need to download this because I have already downloaded it. And then as you can see here on the corner on the top, DT means Donald Sababala. That is me. Okay, so here are some features of Mendeley. Basically, the web and the desktop one is the same. But the difference is only slight. That is, in the web, it is the font is a bit more attractive, but only a bit. So because I've already have my Mendeley here, so I can just click on it from the desktop. And then when you have downloaded this desktop, you have to go through the tools first. Why? To install the Mendeley into your Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, it is uninstalled because I've already installed this MS Word plugin. If you haven't done it so, then it is not synchronized with the Word yet. So make sure you go to a tools icon and then you go to install MS Word plugin. Right. Right after that, you have some articles that you want to use because here it is still empty because I haven't put any folders or any articles, any PDF files. So you can just go to the my library, okay, and then you can just put all documents, and then another options are external library and then groups. For groups, you can actually share what is it? Share articles. If you want your friends to give you some articles to be shared, you can just create groups here. So I have one group here. Okay, you can just share for this. And then I'm gonna try to the all documents first. All right, so I put add here, click add files, and it will lead you to certain folders, which folders you want to add. For example, I'm put my folder in my thesis, for example. Okay, go to draft. Okay, for example, articles for draft 4. So I can just, it depends. If you want to choose one of certain files, you can just click one and then open. But for this time, I want to put them all. So I can just Control A and then open. Okay, so please wait. It takes a while. Right. Now, all the folders you want to put in your articles are on the list. Okay. And then if you want to put based on the filters, okay, for example, like filter by author keywords, you can just click on this. Or if you want to put by publication, for example, and then it will also change the performance, okay, or the feature. Right. Okay. So because I have put this articles in the library. So I have to put sync. Sync means synchronize. Yeah, it takes a while. Please wait for that. Okay. Now you may go to your word here. Right. I have my introduction and pronunciation here. Okay. And then if you want to put the Mendeley, if you want to see whether it is synchronized or not, you can go to the reference. And then you see here the icon of Mendeley is already there, meaning it's been synchronized because you have put the tools and you have installed the MS Word. Right. Now let's go to some, what is it? Some references. Okay. For example, here, I want to put some reference here after this speech. Don't forget, put the cursor, I mean, on the last or at the end of the last word. And then you go to insert citation. Okay, it appears icon like this, and then you can just go to Mendeley. Right. So, for example, you want to put that for this article, and then it appears. Okay, and then you want to put this reference into your article, and you can just go to site. Okay, and then you click OK. All right. And then you can also can choose which one you want to put, whether one of this or all of them. If you want to just click on one, you can just click on one, okay, and then click OK. Right. Now long et al. 2021 has already been there. As for the format, because I'm using APA, American Psychology Association here, the seventh. If you want to put other style, you can just put like, let's say Vancouver, for example. Then it is changing, right? It is not name, but instead it goes to numbers. And then if you want to see the result, you can click on the reference here, reference. Okay. And then if you want to put this some references on the list, you can just go to insert bibliography. And then you see it is in numbers because I'm using Vancouver style. But if you want to change into APA, then you can just click on the APA here. All right. Then it is automatically changed. Right? Yeah. It is automatically based on the alphabetically. So it is really helpful. Right? Okay. I think that's all there's to it for Mendeley. I hope it's really insightful, giving you some knowledge, especially when you are doing your audit. Thank you. Bye.